Passing the test vs preparing for life. What NAPLAN and driving tests have in common. In Australia, students spend years preparing for tests like NAPLAN. Schools focus heavily on helping students achieve good scores because those results reflect on the school itself. Students learn how to answer questions correctly, follow the testing format, and perform under exam conditions. But many parents ask an important question. Does passing NAPLAN actually prepare young people for real life? For many, the answer is no. A student can score highly on a test and still leave school without developing real-world skills such as financial literacy, problem-solving, communication, decision-making, or handling pressure. And the same problem exists in driver training. Too many learner drivers are being taught how to pass the driving test, not how to become safe, capable drivers for life. They learn the likely test routes, the exact maneuvers, how to avoid losing points, and what the examiner wants to see. Then they pass, and suddenly they are alone on the road. But real driving has nothing to do with performing a perfect three-point turn during a 45-minute assessment. Real driving involves panic situations, heavy traffic, wet roads, distracted drivers, fatigue, highways, and split-second decisions. Passing a test doesn't equal real-world readiness. A learner driver may pass their driving test and still panic in dangerous road conditions because passing a test measures short-term performance, not long-term capability. At Panache Driver Training, we believe driver education should focus on building real-life skills, not simply producing a pass result. That's why we teach two simple but powerful rules. Rule number 1. Ask the road what it's telling you. The road is constantly communicating with drivers through signs, line markings, traffic flow, pedestrians, weather conditions, and potential hazards. Good drivers learn how to scan, assess, and anticipate danger before it becomes a problem. Driving isn't just steering a car. It's reading the environment every second you're on the road. Rule number 2. Control your space. Safe drivers create space around their vehicle by adjusting speed to conditions, avoiding tailgating, maintaining escape space, and keeping at least a 3-second gap behind the vehicle in front. Space gives drivers time to think, react, and avoid collisions. Most serious accidents happen because drivers leave themselves with nowhere to go and no time to respond. New drivers remain among the highest risk groups on Australian roads. Many receive their licence having never driven in severe weather, managed emergency braking properly, experienced motorway pressure, or developed advanced hazard awareness. Yet technically, they've passed. At Panache Driver Training, we don't just teach learners how to pass the driving test. We teach them how to think, react, and stay safe in real-world situations. Because a license is not the end goal. Safe, capable, lifelong driving is. And real learning begins after the test.